So in a production process, we have something called marginal product. And all marginal product refers to is the change in total output that comes when you add an additional unit of input. So if you add 1 unit of a resource, how much extra output do you get on the other side? There's also something called the average product. The average product, on the other hand, is simply the total output produced divided by the number of units of input that is used. That is the average product. Let's take a look at an example. So let's do an example of total product, marginal product, and average product using labor as our input. And in the first scenario A, let's assume we've got no labor, so we're producing absolutely nothing. What happens if we add 1 unit of labor? That moves up to scenario B. And in that scenario, with 1 unit of labor, we are producing total product of 4 units per day. The number of products have increased by 4, so our marginal product is also 4, and then our average product per worker is 4. The following scenario, we add another unit of labor. So we now have 2 laborers. How much product are we producing? We are producing 10. Our marginal product is 6. It's gone up by 6 relative to when we had 1 worker. Our average product is 5. So by adding an additional worker, we've actually managed to produce more output than with 1 worker, and we've more than doubled that output. If we go to scenario D, however, when we've got 3 workers, our total product goes to 13. That means it's gone up only by 3 units, which is the marginal product, and our average product is now lower. It is 4.33. Diminishing returns have started to kick in. By the time we get to scenario F, where we're with 5 workers, our total product is 16, our marginal product is now only 1, and the average product has dropped to 3.20. This example shows you the impact of diminishing returns. How with each new laborer added, the output that we generate still carries on going up, but it goes up at a lesser and lesser rate. That is diminishing returns, folks.